I'm turning over the keys for student-driven learning so that I can put students where the conversations are happening. When learning is the goal, or planning is happening, students should have a place at the table. Some would argue that they should be at the head of the table. I'm one of those people.
And I'm turning over the keys for student-driven learning so that I can create a more engaging curriculum.
So that I can help my students be more engaged with what we're doing in class.
I am interested in learning about how to take something that's fairly structured, like the language workshop piece of the comprehensive literacy model, and see how students can be creative with that.
So that I can get a fresh look at our unit on mystery.
So that I can unleash learners' innate curiosity of the world around them, and for them to have an opportunity to fully grasp the power behind the ideas they have.
So that my students can have more voice in what and how they are learning.
Because there's no better way to get kids invested in their own education.
So that I can empower my students and take their learning to the next level.
So that my students can become lifelong learners and really enjoy themselves here.
So that I can learn about students' true potential.
So that I can master the course and my students can determine the direction of their own learning.
So that my students can model for others the benefits of trusting in the knowledge and skills of our K-12 learners. I'm turning over the keys so that my students can be empowered and in turn empower others.
My students can take control of their learning to help them grow as students and individuals.
So that my students can better direct themselves with their learning and lead me to know what the final destination is going to be for them and their learning.
So that my students can truly take control of their own learning.
So that my students can help me redefine what education could look like. The possibilities are endless.
So hopefully in turn, they can feel more empowered and connected to the curriculum.
I look forward to the students being able to help me engage their classmates in new and exciting ways.
So that my students can inspire me and show me their skills and knowledge, and also show me what they need in order to succeed.
So that they can
get smarter while enjoying it.
And so we can engage in what we're doing and do something different.
So that students can dream big.
For my students, I'm hoping that they'll take those keys and they'll come up with something that they find to be engaging, something that's challenging, and something that really meets their needs.
Hi, I'm Mr. Young, and these are 5th grade students from Hatfield Elementary School.
The unit we co-designed is a reading, writing, language workshop, imagination fantasy unit where students will blend together different fantasy stories to create their own. This youth summit helped us develop this unit by helping us know how and what to plan along with what personalized learning looks like in a classroom.
The youth summit also showed us that we as students have the power and ability to in charge of our own learning and gave us the skills to help us do so.
So hi, I'm Miss Meyer and I'm from Waukesha South, and these students are my English 10 students that are here with me today doing the work.
Right. So the lesson unit we co-designed is a presentation template and a final exam.
The final exam is on to write about yourself and your role model and how they changed you and how you changed over the past years.
I'm Miss Alch.
And I'm Mrs. Crowder, and we are here as part of Flight Academy at Horning Middle School.
In September, world leaders committed to 17 global goals to achieve 3 extraordinary things in the next 15 years. End extreme poverty, fight inequality and injustice, fix climate change. Every one of the global goals is linked to solving our climate crisis.
These global issues are outlined in the book 20 Global Issues in 20 Years to Solve Them, which we'll be reading as a whole group.
The unit we co-designed is about global issues and what we can do to help. We're going to be partnering with other students around the world to find out how we can help stop global issues together.
And our goal is to present this at the Horny Showcase in May.
My name is Jacob, and I'm at the Student Driven Youth Summit because I'm very creative and I collaborate a lot.
I am Colin Crowder, and I'm at the Student Driven Youth Summit because I like the idea of having input on what I want to learn.
My name is Amber, and I am at the Student Driven Youth Summit because I want to bring something creative to our classroom.
I am at the Student Driven Youth Summit because I like to learn and I want to help make learning better.